Students, question is from computer organization. Question is, a processor manufacturer has found a new way to parallelize a certain instruction so that the work of executing the instruction is split over the total of C copies of the data path. Unfortunately, portions of the instruction's work are not parallelizable, so instruction cannot be speeded up by full factor of C. Now, suppose that is the instruction usually takes 250 nanoseconds to execute when C equals to 1, but only 150 nanoseconds when C equals to 3. So, approximately how much the work is parallelizable. Okay, so this is based on the Amdahl's law. Okay, so what this law states as, if a fraction f of the work can be speed up by factor C, then speed up we have to calculate, right? So then speed up is s equals to, and we have to calculate the f, right? Because fraction means how much work is parallelizable we have to calculate. So we have to calculate the f, and the speed up is given as s equals to 1 by 1 minus f plus f by c. Okay, and c is already given 3 here. Okay, and s is 250 nanoseconds to execute, right? But only 150 nanoseconds it executed. So the s will be 250 nanoseconds by 150 nanoseconds. So it will be 5 by 3. Okay, and already c is 3. So just put in this particular equation, and you have to solve this particular equation, then you will get the value of f. So just it will be 5 by 3 equals to 1 minus f plus f by 3, right? So this will be 5 by 3 equals to 3 by 3 into 1 minus f plus f, and this will be 5 by 3 minus 3f plus f. So 5 by 3 minus 2f. So this will be 15 minus 10f equals to 9. Okay, so this will be 10f equals to 6. So the f will be 6 by 10, that is 0.6. So it will be 60%. Okay, so that is the work, the 60% of the work is parallelizable. So the answer is B. Thank you.